Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be predicting the price movement of BYND Stock. I'm a swing trader, and I don't consider price changes a month in advance. This channel only provides short-term price predictions, typically 1 to 3 weeks. Please subscribe to this channel. BYND Stock has been consolidating for the past 5 days, meaning the bulls are trying to push the price up, but there seems to be some selling pressure remaining. The company just released a weaker-than-expected third-quarter earnings report, adding further pressure to the price rebound. Looking at the 30-minute chart, we can see that the bulls have been trying to push the price up for the past 5 days but have been suppressed by the bears. However, buying interest seems to have increased significantly, and the selling pressure from the bears seems to have weakened, which could be a signal that the price is about to bottom out. However, we also see that a large amount of capital exited the market above $1.70 previously. These shares need to be diluted, and this will take some time, so continued consolidation at lower levels is still reasonable. However, given the significant profit-taking potential, even if the stock price corrects further downwards, the bulls are unlikely to allow it to fall too much. Through the stock's position distribution, we can see a significant increase in positions in the $1.12 to $1.49 range over the past 5 days, potentially signaling bullish capital involvement. Furthermore, there are also substantial positions below $1.12, indicating that bullish capital that entered at lower levels has not completely exited the market. Therefore, the bulls may form a united front for another counterattack. Although the stock has shown potential rebound signals, there are still significant positions above $1.84. This means that selling pressure from trapped positions at higher levels remains substantial. Therefore, the stock may experience a further dip before a rebound. Let's return to the stock's daily chart. The company's Q3 FY 2025 results showed a loss per share of 47 cents, lower than the consensus analyst expectation of a loss of 40 cents. In addition, sales declined 13.3% year-over-year, with revenue at $70.22 million, but still exceeding analysts' expectations of $69 million. The revenue decline was primarily due to a 10.3% decrease in product volume and a 3.5% decrease in revenue per pound. The volume decline was attributed to weak overall demand, a reduction in the number of stores selling the product in the U.S., and a decrease in sales of its burger products in international food service. Meanwhile, the decrease in revenue per pound was due to higher trade discounts, a different product mix, and lower prices on some items, although these effects were slightly offset by foreign exchange fluctuations. Looking ahead, management currently expects revenue for the fourth quarter of 2025 to be between $60 million and $65 million. For reference, analysts previously expected revenue of $70.3 million. The consensus rating for the stock among Wall Street analysts is moderate sell, based on 2 hold and 5 sell ratings given over the past 3 months. The average price target for BYND stock is $2 per share, implying a 50% upside. However, it is worth noting that these expectations may change after the release of the third-quarter earnings report. Technical analysis summary. Despite the company releasing earnings that fell short of market expectations, the stock has already experienced a significant decline recently, so the earnings report's impact on the share price is limited. Furthermore, based on technical analysis, the inflow of funds into the market appears to have increased over the past 5 days, which could be a signal of bullish capital entering the market to absorb shares. Although the stock's high-level positions have not yet been significantly diluted, bulls still have the potential to push the share price above $1.50 in the short term. As for the target price, I set it in the $1.49 to $1.84 range. The bottom of this sell-off is not expected to fall below $1 or deviate too much downwards from that price. Okay, guys, that's my price prediction for BYND Meat Stock. Thanks for watching. If you agree with my analysis, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.